Pinagsisildahan natin yung lumikha na ating sinusunod. Di ba? Kaya ganyan yung number 1. Anyway, next please. So, sabi niya ating mahal na presidente during his inauguration on June 30, we all want peace in our land. You and your children want a good chance at a better life in a safer, more prosperous country. All that is within reach from hardworking war and giving grace. Let us all be part of the solution that we choose. In that lies the power to get it done. Always be open to differing views, but never united in our chosen goal. Never hesitating to change it should improve one thing. That is how resilient republics are made. So, lahat tayo public servant. Gusto natin kaayusan, peace and order at kaunlaran ng ating bayan. I hope everyone ay mula nung nagpa tayo sa ating mga tungkulin, nandito tayo ngayon para nasa puso ng bawat isa na isaayos, matuto para sa ikakaunlad ng ating mga nasasakupan. Next please. So, why do this assessment? Bakit nga ba? Why do this assessment? Leaders who value this assessment don't just protect lives, they preserve mission. Sa amin sa pulis, sa military, sa amin sa SAP, meron kaming tinatawag na calculated risk. Calculated risk. Bakit? Despite na mayroong risk, pinagpaplanuhan natin, di ba? So,